No, if it's right for you to insult government that came with the mandate of David Yahweh to save Igbo, like me, I am the one that saved Igbo from all those things. Remember, I've been fighting this battle. I'm the first prophet in Igbo land that came out and stood that fought about all those useless Miremwilo, Apokoko, Ezobi, name them, Oyeze Jesus and Mazidibian, who are so name them. Oh, Matthias Ezak. These are people are not doing Igbo tradition. Not gonna stop all those nonsense. He don't want Igbo. Governor Soludo is not against Igbo tradition. It's against Aru ba for Buro Menana. Masamario, Mokito, Marusio, Yerina Aru ba for Buro Menana. Do you remember that in Gene? Ngige, when he was ruling Anambra State, because of the killings. It's not started today. Because of the killings. Many years ago, I got an Sokeja. Bono, shoot for everybody about what Katabira Butu, what Butos are Butu say Sokeja. Mas, if you go to Sokeja, I would die. Was Sokeja, was it Igbo tradition? What are all those nonsense? No sentiment attached. Anambra is a Christian what? State. Prove it. Matthias, you're a Christian. You just converted to Church of Satan. You're not even doing Igbo tradition. Milo, you are a Christian. You're born as a Christian. From Roman Catholic. You just converted to Women because of 419. Because of, if there's no money coming out from that summary and the 419 of Facebook, it will not be there shouting summary. And you that claiming that pastor is fake, we have your videos where you say you're doing duty for pastors. Milo, you show us a motto that pastor gave you. How can you claim you are fixing a man and then our pastor? But I keep Bazua. Oyekote, Olisebru. Don't say I did not want you people. When I want to walk, you will be taught. I can say, if we shoot you spiritual, if we don't work, we shoot you physical. Now, who is shooting each other? I am an Anambra Liberation Prophet. What I want to tell you now is this. Basa Nozia. My number is this 0903-222-6076. Make sure this message go everywhere to San Nozia. Know that one a lot of people. I see no man Igbo. Then a comment section. Abonis na one million men and Igbo. Kemaka 1 million in Lagos. Kemaka 1 million in India. Kemaka Ibrahim Igbo 1 million can cover us off. We have different gods. And Aboha gods. Abara, many Abara. They are foreign angels. They are not Chuku. They are not our God. We have only one true God. Supremacy. Chuku. So if Soludo say Anambra is a God-owned state, you better challenge with your summary because it's 419. Who told you that in a woman? You're not doing Igbo tradition. What you're doing, you're promoting your Mwamiri, you're promoting your Arusi, you're promoting your Abara. We saw you many places going to Arusi Chebegu, prove that you're an idol worshipper. I grow like this, I never see my father bow down to idol. My father is a traditional man. We don't have idol in our family. But we have community idol, which I'm part of what I destroy it. Gente. Because in the Bible, Hana like noise. You don't do research to know the truth. The truth remains that Ndi Igbo adefe Mwamiri. Ndi Igbo adefe Arose. Ndi Igbo enwere chi ọzọ. So one true God. We are the Umuchuku. We are not Umu Samari. We are not Umu Habagro. Even Habagro is more powerful than Samari. Just that people that go in there thinking it's light. Let me tell you. When the problem will start, okay, Tekayama. When will start giving you problem, let me Allah. Your sister, your children can talk. When you talk about imbecile, when you talk about children that they will become abnormal, they will act like snake. Is when you dedicated yourself to marine kingdoms. Because nothing comes from Satan that can give you peace. On what if facing I can give you peace? I'm here to tell you the truth. Anytime you see me going to water to pray, I'm going to destroy the people that already converted to Momo water. You're not doing Igbo menana. Because when you talk about Omenana, I'm not Alamaya Saba. Alamaya Saba Igbo menana. Etu okite si Igbo menana ka momiri esi Igbo menana. Can you come and defy to us how Momo water take to become Igbo menana? Because you know we're not at the map that will world now confusing them mad. Because you're a serpent. Abenimo and all of you, Matthias are not doing no men. You remember Church of Satan. Meanwhile, what you're doing is Mama water worship, satanic worship. Which every time you see me doing spiritual work and trying to deliver people, nobody know to Nzuzo, nobody know to Momiri, nobody na Samari, nobody na Chibu. So also have all those things. Stop planting. Before you come and train in a woman and you buzo, make you go to Samari. They will tell history in the Igbo. Abakawala and million will in a way, no moment I can worship Mormon. Mormon worship is a religion, they are not part of Igbo tradition. The same way you better Rosen, a job part of Igbo tradition. Or Igbo menana. Ordinary diche. You worship Mormon diche. Ndi Igbo nwere only one God, Chukwu Kadibia. Another one is counterfeit. Adamaka. Ndi Igbo nwere only one Chineke, Chukwu. That's why my governor Soludo has this thing. Anambra is God's own country. We are Israel. This is why people like Mazidibia telling you that we are not for Israel. So you can be worshiping Ekwensu, you can be worshiping Arose, you can be worshiping Samari. You can see the SY that is ranting, praying for Ekwensu to go and kill Soludo, Ekwensu to go and destroy Soludo. When Soludo arrests you now, you will say Soludo is wicked. Can you do that to Lagos State government? All those things you are ranting. Both Ife, the one small Matthias boy, you are ranting. Can you go and do it to your state? Enugu state governor, can you do that to him? Because I'm on Anambra, just a talk. As Ndi Igbo na Lagos kwuo okwu si na ga-akpọta ndị IPOP to come and protect property Ndi Igbo. How many of you that came out to challenge Lagos state government? Please share the telecast, drop your comment.